In this video, you'll learn how to use the story copy command in ideCAD to create upper stories quickly and accurately. We'll cover selecting stories, copying contour lines and curtain walls, and using options like erase old entities or copy only current mode. You'll also see how to adjust layouts, remove entrances, redefine zones, and copy zone settings between zones. Finally, we'll copy the modified story to all upper levels, completing the building efficiently. By the end, you'll know how to manage story copying with precision in ideCAD. After all dimensioning has been completed and structural elements along with stairs have been placed, the upper stories of the project can be created by using the story copy command. Click on the story copy command, which can be found in both the vertical toolbar on the left and the ribbon menu. Once the command is clicked, the story copy dialog will open. First, check the Uncheck All box to clear all pre-selected story. This allows you to manually select only the stories you want to copy. With the Check All and Uncheck All buttons, all stories can be selected or deselected at once. With the Check Upper Stories and Check Lower Stories buttons, the stories above or below the active story can be selected at once. Select only the first story. Since the new story will be copied onto the base story, some elements like the entrance may not exist on upper levels. To avoid copying unnecessary objects, it's important to select only the relevant story. Looking at the available options in the story copy dialog. With the Erase Old Entities option, if elements are already present on the target upper story, enabling this setting ensures that those elements are removed prior to copying. This helps prevent duplication or overlapping of objects during the story copy process. The Copy Only Current Working Mode Entities option is used to copy only the elements associated with the currently active mode, such as architectural or structural design mode. This ensures that only the objects visible in the current plan view are included in the copy process. The Copy Only Selected Entities option is used to copy only the manually selected elements. If the entire story is intended to be copied, this option should be left unchecked. The Copy Curtain Walls option should be enabled when the same curtain wall design is intended to be used on each story. The Copy Contour Lines option is used when it is desired to apply the same contour outlines to the new story. The Copy Only Contour Lines option is checked, and the OK button is clicked. The story is then copied according to the selected settings. After the operation, it may be observed that some facade openings lack elements. This occurs because the Copy Curtain Walls option was not enabled, and therefore curtain walls were not included in the copy. Select the curtain wall objects. Click the Story Copy command again. This time, check only the Copy Curtain Walls option. Since the contour lines were already copied, there is no need to check that option again. Enable the Copy Only Selected Entities and Copy Curtain Walls options. Upon clicking the OK button, the program copies only the selected curtain walls to the upper story. After the copy is complete, switch to the first story to make story-specific adjustments. Remove the entrance door, as it typically exists only on the ground story, and rearrange the room walls according to the new layout of the upper story. Define new zones in the newly formed areas and assign room names accordingly. The properties of one zone can be copied to another by using the Get Entity Settings and Set Entity Settings commands. Activate the Get Entity Settings command and click the zone from which the settings will be copied. Then, activate the Set Entity Settings command and click the zone to apply the copied settings. In this way, the new zone is assigned the exact same settings such as name, color, and label style as the source zone. Once all necessary adjustments have been completed, the current story can be copied to the remaining upper stories using the Story Copy command. Click the Story Copy command. This time, do not click the Uncheck All box. Instead, click only the Check Upper Stories option. This prevents the base story from being copied again. Leave the Copy Only Selected Entities box unchecked so that all objects on the current story are copied. Check the Copy Curtain Walls option to ensure curtain wall elements are also transferred to the upper stories. Click the OK button to start the copy process. As a result, the first story, with all the modifications made, is copied to all the selected upper stories, completing the story copying process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.